Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a hair oil which is fenugreek and blackseed hair oil. This hair oil will reduce the hair fall, reduce the dandruff, and it will regrow your hair and it will make your hair thicker and longer. So why fenugreek we are taking? We are taking fenugreek because it is rich in folic acid, vitamin A, K and C. It also contains high level of proteins and a nicotinic acid which is beneficial against hair fall and dandruff. That is the reason that fenugreek is an excellent considered a superfood for your hair, and it reduces the hair fall and it regrow your hair. I have already made another video on fenugreek hair mask. You can go and check it on my channel. Then we are using black seeds, and black seeds, they are also called Kalonji seeds, or they are also called the onion seeds. This black seed or Kalonji, it's really good for your hair fall, and it stops the hair fall, it helps them to regrow, it stimulates the hair follicle. It also contains iron, zinc, amino acid and different fatty acids, which makes it really good for your overall hair growth. And then we are using the coconut oil. Coconut oil, it contains the fatty acids and vitamins which not only nourishes the scalp, but it also penetrate the cuticle of your hair. So that's why your hair, they look more nourished and growth. We are also going to use the castor oil, which I will add in the end. Castor oil contains ricinolic acid, which promotes the hair growth. And this is my cat, which is called Zoe, and she is continuously disturbing me while making the video. The quantities that I have taken is 1 teaspoon of blackseed or Kalonji seed, and then 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. It means they are equal. And I have taken around 100 ml of coconut oil, and I will add 25 ml of castor oil in the end. So at first what we will do, we will add this Kalonji or black seed and this fenugreek seed into a blender, and we will grind it, but we will not make it a very fine powder. We will make it like bit a thicker one. So this is how this mixture will look like. It's not a powder, and you can see there are still grains in it. So on next step, what we will do, I have taken this old frying pan which I'm not going to use anymore. The flame on the medium one. Once the oil gets hot, you have to put this mixture. Just don't fry it on the higher flame, just do it in the medium one. We have to fry these fenugreek and the black seed into this coconut oil for around 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the flames, and now I will switch off the flame. So I left that oil for overnight, and now we will strain it because it was a coconut oil and it's cold here, so it was melted, and I just put it for 1 minute or 2 minutes on the flame to just make it liquid again, and then we will transfer it into the container. Here I have taken this container. I have taken this cheesecloth. You can use the cheesecloth, or you can either use the strainer, the very thin one. Now put this oil. This is our fenugreek and the black seed oil. Now I'm using this castor oil. You need 25 ml of castor oil. Well, finally our oil is ready. Apply twice a week this oil. So whenever you want to apply this oil, either you can put it in a microwave for 1 to 2 minutes just to warm it up, or either you can warm it on your palm, on the palm of your hand. It will be black in color because of the Kalonji or black seed. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.